The puppies, baby star was the way.
What else?
Baby.
What story?
No, I can't. I'm too small.
Too small?
Yeah.
What did you see in the DCTC? What's in there?
And my room.
Yeah, what's in your room?
And the couch.
In the couch? What about in the couch?
And the artist room.
At this room? What did you see there?
Artist watching.
Watching what?
Watching your cell phone.
Your cell phone. What else?
I want the wallflower.
Papa.
Papa, what about Papa? What is Papa doing?
Sleeping.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
Is Papa home?
Papa's home.
No, where's Papa?
In the office.
In the office. What is he doing?
It's work.
Working. What do you like?
And Papa.
You like Papa?
I like Mama.
I like Mama. Who else you like?
Grandma.
Grandma?
Yeah. I like Grandma.
You like Grandma? You like Nanay?
And Grandpa.
Grandpa is Kung Kung and Mommy Babes.
I like baby mommy babes.
Mm-hmm. Who else you like? Hmm?
Hi, boobies.
Are you pretty? Beautiful eyes. Are you pretty?
Yeah.
Are you pretty?
I'm just pretty.
Oh, what about you? Are you pretty?
Not yet.
Not that.
Not yet, Mama.
Not yet. Okay. Why? What do you have to do to be pretty? Pick your nose. What happened to your nose?
Burger.
Booger. There's a booger in your nose? What color are you?
Brown.
Brown. You like brown?
Yeah?
You like brown?
What
Oh.
color are you? Oh?
Po.
What color are you?
I'm fair. White.
You're white?
Mm-hmm.
I like your pear, right?
Okay.
I like pear white.
You want to be fair white too?
No, I'm brown.
You're brown. You take a bath every day, okay? You wanna take a bath?
My hair is brown.
My hair is brown too.
My hair is brown.
Your hair is brown? What about your hair? What color is your hair?
What color?
I'm asking you, what color is your hair?
Black.
Black. You like black?
Yeah.
You like black?
Opo.
Opo.
What color ate?
Ate. What color, ate?
Black.